Hey, Parak, and everyone over at Lawrenceville Healthy Smiles. My name is Viola Barnett, and Carrie Ann thought it'd be a good idea for me to send this video over to you. So, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds. And the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is and who isn't an expert. So I found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to benefit and impact their businesses for free has resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hand and saying, hey, Viola, I need you to do this for me. Please do this for me. So if at the end of this video you liked what I've showed you and you like what you heard and you see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can benefit you and your business, then go ahead and shoot me a message. Or at the end of this video, if you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So this is your home page. And with Google, you need to have at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. You guys have about 750. And if you take a look at your direct competition here, they're at the top of Google. They have on their homepage close upwards of 2,000, but that's still very beatable. Now, every month people are searching for different keywords X amount of time. What do I mean by that? If I go on where your website is, this is Ahrefs. This is a tool that I use, and I pay about $400 a month for it. And this allows me to dive deep into the businesses to see what's going on. So let's take a look at what you guys have, and then we'll take a look at the competition. So you guys have 204 organic keywords, which means that up 3 to 4 times per month, people are searching for Healthy Smiles of Georgia in that order, specifically in that order on Google, and it leads them to your site 3 to 4 times per month, and all of these other keywords as well. Now, the chances of someone going on the site just to type in Shalini, forgive me if I said that wrong, Shalini Nair or Dr. Shalini Nair, etc., are fairly low. You know, when you look at the less than 1 person per month is what you're getting traffic for in regards to that. Now, if you take a look at your competition, I have them right here. They have over 2,000 keywords, organic keywords, which means people that are actually looking for dentists in the Gwinnett Lawrenceville area, and that's because they're typing in dentists in Lawrenceville, Georgia, and these people are getting traffic at least 14 people per month, 66 people per month with Gwinnett Family Dental Gwinnett Family Dental Care, etc. So you get the idea of how that's working. Now, if you go to Google and you scroll down, the first thing we see here are ads that people are paying Google to be up on. But studies show that ads are only semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit if ads aren't effective. So citations, moving on to the next visible section, is the second important thing I want to talk about, and we call this the Google Map Pack right here. And basically what this is your name, your address, your phone number, aka NAPS. So now I know you're asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? I told you I read minds. So let me pull up another tool that I use. It's right over here. It's called WhiteSpark. And this basically allows me to see how many citations you already have on the internet. So if we take a look here, your competition has 30 citations. Let's see how many you have. You guys have 11. So 11 citations up against 30, that's not bad. Once again, that's very beatable. That's very easy to beat. We just have to get your citations up, and that's the second thing that you can conquer. Now, the most effective route is going to be your keywords. And then the last thing I want to talk about is the link juice. So those are the backlinks. So if you take a look at backlinks are, go back to Ahrefs and go to the overview. So again, I'm psychic, right? You want to be number one in Google? Here's what we have to do. We have to up your backlinks. They have 734. You guys have exactly 417. Again, that's very beatable. Now, what I like about the point of a backlink, let me explain what a backlink is. They're links that are connected to other sites that link back to your site. All right, and I'll show you exactly the 417 backlinks you already have. So all of these companies here, all of these different websites can link back to you in some shape, form, or fashion. Another thing I wanted to talk about that can help you, I guess this is 4 things, but like I said, I want to give you some tools that you can use. When you click on the images, Google does not recognize images, but they do recognize the names behind the image. So if I click on this image and I click Save Image As, do you notice here it just comes up as Shalini Bio. This right here, we can use this to put one of the keywords in. So this is exactly what we're speaking in reference to, where you type in one of these keywords that are on the other site to utilize for your advantage and save it under this picture and any other picture that is on your site across the board. So 3 things I went over. Number 1, content. Your first page needs at least 1,500 words. Number 2, citations. In order to get into that map pack that we saw on Google, you want to have at least 200 to 300 citations, meaning that how you want to have your name across 200 to 300 different directories, such as Yelp, such as Yahoo, such as Bing. All the different directories across the web, you want to be listed at least 200 to 300 times. And then you could beat out the competition by a landslide. And lastly, link juice. So like I said, link juice helps backlinking to you. So although people aren't directly going to your site, they end up there. So what now, right? You can either go with this information I provided for you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 718-702-2843 or 404-345-2771. Again, my name is Viola Barnett, and it is a pleasure. Thank you so much. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.